2, 2. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Ooh. What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. This is going to be a fun lesson. I've got this nice PDF that I created for this lesson. You can check the chords, the lyrics, and the chord diagrams, everything. You can download it. Check the links in the description for free. It's got the little intro riff and the little riff I play in the chorus. So let me jump right into the chords before I go into everything. And I'm just going to be quick here with the chords, okay? So this is going to be A minor, G, F major 7 with the thumb on the bass. So that's the way you get like that style of playing that he's doing. E minor, and we also use a C/G, a B minor, an A, which you can play with one finger or the 3, an E chord, and a D minor 7, which is an interesting shape. It's a very interesting D minor. It's not actually D minor 7, it's got a bigger name, but I just put D minor 7 just for simplicity's sake. Because he's sliding to the D and it sounds really nice. And he's using that in the pre-chorus, okay, but we'll get into that now. Now the pre-chorus has some really interesting chord changes. It doesn't stay in the key of C, it's got to use some non-diatonic chords. But let's start with the intro little riff there. Okay, so we got A minor for the first bar and then for the first bar and a half actually, but let me play it for you slowly. So we've got this, the first two notes is going to be bass, down, and then we have the, you can do a hammer on or pull off there, but it's, and then a slap. That X is a slap. So we got boom, da, doom, da, and then an up strum. And then we got a C chord going up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so. So pretty cool. If you just do that slowly, you'll get it. Okay. Then the main strum pattern for the song is this. Let's do it on a G chord actually. Bass, down, up, bass, down, bass, down, up, bass, down. And he's alternating between the F and the G. So bass, down, up, bass, down, bass, down, up, bass, down, bass, down, up, bass, down, bass. It almost sounds like, well, here you go, what to do now, girl? Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? So that's the strum pattern, okay? And then the little riff in the chorus is, don't you want me, baby? Da 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 da. Don't you want me, baby? And I'm just playing with my index finger here and going. Now there's just a note on the strumming, right? The strumming has, you have the bass note and then you strum with kind of the index finger, and then sometimes the index finger on the up strums will just hit one note instead of two. So. And also, every time it strums down, it's not doing all the strings. So never do all the strings. Minimal strumming is very important with this indie style. Okay, so then basically the verse is just F, G the whole time. Okay, let's open the iPad here because you know all the details now. And for the verses, you working at a waitress in a cocktail bar, and I met you. You out and So that just carries on like that. And then the pre-chorus, we've got this. Don't you want me? Just strumming the chord slowly. Don't you believe when you say that you don't need? Don't you want me? Can't really sing this part. No, I can't believe it when you say you won't see. So then you can also do the strumming pattern a little bit there in the pre-chorus. Now wait to find you've changed your mind. You better change it back or we will both be sorry. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me, oh? Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me, oh? Now sometimes you'll notice in the strumming I take this bass out, that bass, okay, yeah, that bass, take that out, okay, and you can do that. Okay, that's it for the song. This was a quick tutorial. It's not that complicated, just the little cool things that you need to know before you do the whole song. And make sure to download it, and you can go through the whole PDF at your own pace and have it saved in a file so that you can just pick it up and play it and then memorize it. It's important. If you want private lessons from me, you can go to joobamusic.com/private lessons and book a free trial with me. Cheers. Bye, 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 bye.